everyone, I am Chan Chi Bi, an artist and teacher from Vietnam. I started my art journey with watercolor, but recently I have fallen in love with gouache, and now that is my go-to medium for creating these vintage-inspired florals. In this class, we'll dive into the essential layering technique of gouache to paint this charming forget-me-not bloom. I will guide you through the entire process, from selecting the right materials to practicing leaves, background flowers, and adding detail to foreground blooms. By the end of this class, you will have a beautiful layer painting that captures the delicate beauty of these flowers. So let's get started and bring these blooms to life together.